It's not what he likes when disaster strikes. It's a hot and fiery game. 'Cause every time he puts it all on the line, not for fortune and fame. With life on the line, he doesn't have the time for his kids or even his wife. When he gets a call, he belongs to us all. Fire hero of our life. When fire breaks out, you have no doubt it's your very worst day. When you see him rush in, you almost grin. Help is here to stay.
Seekord noortega, et on väga hea meel tõdeda, et see aasta osalesid ka võistlusel noored ja lootustandvad tuletõrjesportlased. Nii et nendega alustame.